Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make an Afterpay payment using Cash App. So let's get started. First, launch the Cash App on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into the correct account. After opening the app, navigate to the activity section located at the bottom of the screen. In your transaction history, locate the Afterpay purchase that you'd like to make a payment toward and tap on it to view more information. On the transaction details page, find the payment option and select it to continue. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to pay the entire remaining balance or enter a partial amount based on your preference. After entering the payment amount, tap the confirmation button to proceed. The payment will be submitted through Cash App and applied to your Afterpay purchase. Before completing the transaction, make sure your Cash App account has enough available funds to cover the payment amount. Once the payment has been successfully processed, a confirmation will appear in your activity history, and that's it. That's how you can make an Afterpay payment through Cash App. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.